After the last lesson, you probably have an idea that where are your products from. It's good that you already write down a few names of the cities for your products. This step, we're going to search suppliers for the product you want. And knowing where the products are manufactured could be an important factor to find the suppliers. But that's not enough. And many information out there are teaching buyers to send inquiries to any suppliers, as many as you can. That's just a waste of time if you did not make any researches on the suppliers. And I don't think you want to do so and send so many emails to different suppliers. Even it's a simple click, but there are endless spams from the suppliers after that. In this video, I will show you a couple of ways to do searching and how to filter the results. First of all, let's see how to find products or suppliers on Alibaba.com. Number one, searching products. If we search products, here's what we will get. And in this page, we can further choose the product categories, the supplier tabs if they are trade assurance supported or verified suppliers, the supplier regions, and the past export countries, the minimum order quantity, the price range, the management certification or the product certification, and so on. And second, search suppliers. The regular way of finding a product is to put the product keyword. And you can actually switch the option of searching products to suppliers. The searching results will be totally different. Let's take toys as an example. If we search suppliers, it also enables us to choose the supplier tabs. And more options like categories, the top 3 exported markets, the management certification are listed on the left sidebar. And as we mentioned, supplier tabs, trade assurance supported is one of them. And let's take a look at the other 2 supplier tabs. Gold supplier. Gold suppliers are paid premium signers on Alibaba.com. They have also been on-site checked by Alibaba Group. And as far as I know, every supplier on Alibaba.com is Gold supplier, and they usually support trade assurance. And the other one is verified supplier. Verified suppliers have been assessed, inspected, or certified by independent third party via online or offline channels. Those checks have been conducted to ensure the suppliers are legitimate and existing companies. And there is also a clarification that Alibaba does not inspect or guarantee product authenticity and so on. It simply says that you should be careful as well when you deal with the verified suppliers. So even so, it's recommended to search for verified suppliers. And here comes the third option, find the product by picture searching. If you wish to find the exact product on Alibaba, take a screenshot of the product picture and upload it. You will find the product instantly. It can be easier and faster. And you can also go install the Alibaba Chrome extension. Same like picture searching, it enables you to find the specific product in a few seconds.
Source now, Alibaba.com's new Google Chrome extension. See it. Use it as you browse on e-commerce platforms, when you're talking to business partners, or when you're watching your favorite videos. Found something you like? Capture it. Open the extension, click Capture Image, and you'll instantly find hundreds of similar products on Alibaba.com. Source it. Now compare the ones you like, and start contacting suppliers.
So are you tired of searching around? So you don't need to worry that there's one more option, which is we mentioned that submitting an RFQ to get quotes. After telling the suppliers what you need by completing the request form, you will receive several offers within a day. And you can then choose, check, and compare them one by one. Those are the 4 ways to search for products or suppliers. And how do we get more potential suppliers? Here's my strategy. Use all mentioned methods above to search because different search or requests will get different results. And it will give us more options to compare and choose. So some of the searching results will be the same, but if you choose 5 different results from each searching method, you would get at least 20 suppliers to send inquiries. And here comes the question. Every searching method may get hundreds of results. Even RFQ can get you at least 5 to 10 quotations. So how do you filter the suppliers? Let's move into the product page. We can have a look at the following aspects: the product details, the company profile, buyer's reviews, and the service. And let's check them one by one. Product details. I believe that the description of the product simply signifies how much experience the supplier has in manufacturing the product. And the product details on Alibaba.com contain a lot of information. Choose those which list more details and discard those with simple descriptions. And the second factor, the company profile. The company profile includes many points, like the business tab. We know that it's best to work directly with manufacturers, especially when you wish to order a quantity more than 2,000 units. But most companies on Alibaba.com claimed themselves as manufacturers, even their distributors or wholesalers or trading companies. You can quickly tell from their names. Manufacturers' company title usually contain the name of the product of the material. And distributors and trading companies normally end with trade or trading, import and export, and so on. I'm not saying that you should only work with manufacturers or factories. It really depends on your own requirements. And the main products. Check the main products. The main products cannot tell directly if the supplier is a manufacturer or trading company. But professional supplier sell similar type of products or products of same material. So while unprofessional one would normally list a wide range of products. And the main markets. Have a look at the main markets that the supplier was selling to. It's great if your market is covered. And the certifications. And there are certifications for the company and the product. Product certification is especially important. You don't want to find out that the product is not compliant after a long time of communication. And normally, the suppliers on Alibaba.com will showcase their product compliance certificate to stand out. So if the suppliers have related certifications, they should be added in the list in the first place. And the supplier's location. Imagine this. You find a great supplier with a very reasonable price. In the end, it turns out that the factory is located in a remote village. So the inland, the local transportation cost is even much higher than the international shipping cost. So when you're starting out, your budget is tight and there is no way to waste so much on the transportation and shipping. So the supplier's location is also why we discuss the manufacturing clusters and the 5 coastal provinces. The next one, year of establishment. Working with a supplier without much industry experience could be a headache. Everything you ask or request, they have no idea what you are talking about. Probably you need to educate them, but you are a beginner as well. Check the year of establishment, how long they have been selling on Alibaba.com, or how many years have they been a good supplier. Of course, the more the better, and it may make you confident in working with them. And the following one, the buyer's reviews. Not all the suppliers have buyer's reviews listed there. If there are any reviews, you should check them carefully. And they could make a huge difference to select or discard the suppliers. And test the service. From the product page, response time and rate, and delivery time can directly reflect on the service of the sender. And I suggest that you should choose those suppliers with both rate over 90%. And I think that's all the points you need to consider to filter the suppliers. The work is so simple, but it will take a lot of time. Be patient, and you should get at least 15 to 20 suppliers to send the inquiries. When you decide to say hi to the supplier, add those suppliers to your favorite supplier list, and once you finish the list, you can send the inquiry to all of them in bulk from the favorite list. So that's all about this lesson. In the next lesson, we will talk about how to send the inquiry to your suppliers. See you in the next video.